Now I got this feeling that haunts me. It's real as the blood running through my veins. Now you're living right here inside me, and I'm just trying to cope with the things you say. Even if the curtain drops and the daydream stops, we might just give it one more shot, or just end it on the spot. Is this the final call, as we're stuck in a crowded ticket hall? Is this the final call? Tell me, what are we waiting for? 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 I was turning blind with emotion. I wanted you so bad it was hard to breathe. You found me in my darkest moment. You got inside my head, now you just won't leave. Even if the curtain drops and the daydream stops, we might just give it one more shot. Tell me, should we board the flight? Is this the final call, as we're stuck in a crowded ticket hall? Is this the final call? Tell me, what are we waiting for? 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 We can't do something or fall into nothing. I know I'm decided, but it's up to you. Different directions, different connections. I am going nowhere, but it's up to you. Is this the final call, as we're stuck in a crowded ticket hall? Is this the final call? Tell me, what are we waiting for? 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 What are we waiting for?
Through the smoke, and the sapphire in your eyes. You pull me close, and keep me up all night. And you know, I'm drunk on the vibe, and we're moving fast, not going slow. And this love that we fell in, I don't really care if the skies are falling, as long as I'm next to you. And I don't really care if the wolves surround me, 'cause when I'm with you, I'm bulletproof. And if you ever said that you were leaving, I wouldn't know what to do. 'Cause when I'm with you, wolves can't hurt me. Yeah, when I'm with you, when I'm with you, through the years, no matter where we are, you know you'll be forever in my heart. I don't really care if the skies are falling, as long as I'm next to you. And I don't really care if the wolves surround me, 'cause when I'm with you, I'm bulletproof. And if you ever said that you were leaving, I wouldn't know what to do. 'Cause when I'm with you, wolves can't hurt me. Yeah, when I'm with you, when I'm with you, skies are falling as long as I'm next to you. And I don't really care if the wolves surround me, 'cause when I'm with you, I'm bulletproof. And if you ever said that you were leaving, I wouldn't know